This is the small presentation where we will be understanding use of OBS for presentation. Let us understand use of OBS for presentation. Please search OBS project in Google search engine. You can click on download option. You can click on download installer option which will help to install OBS Studio. I am using Windows 10 operating system. You can click on installer of OBS which we have downloaded. You can click on next button. You can click on install button. Installation is going on. Click on finish button. It means OBS has been installed on your computer successfully. After pressing finish button, such kind of window will appear on the screen. Let us close it. This is my sample presentation file. You can select your presentation which you want to present and record with OBS. Click on slideshow button to start presentation. Presentation will be started in slideshow mode. This is the window of presentation. This represents presentation has been started in slideshow mode. By pressing window D keys, we can open desktop. Let us click on OBS Studio to open it. OBS Studio is opened. Now click here on plus symbol from sources to add sources in OBS. At the start, we are selecting audio input capture to capture or record our audio. Let us click on OK button. From device drop down list, you can select proper device. If you are using external headphone, then you can select proper device. Device is selected properly. In my case, it works for default. In your case, you can try with your headphone or microphone. By saying mic testing 1 2 3, we can check movement in audio mixture. We can add window capture one more source by clicking on plus symbol from sources. This option is helping us to add our presentation in OBS in the form of slideshow mode. Click on OK button. From window drop down list, let us select our presentation which is in the slideshow mode. Let us select Windows Graphics Capture from Capture Mode drop-down list. Presentation in slideshow gets open. Let us click on OK button. We can add video capture device by clicking on plus symbol from sources. This option will help us to start our webcam through which we can capture our face to present effectively. Let us click on OK button. Select your webcam device properly. Let us click on OK button. Let us press right click of mouse to get option window as shown here. Click on transform and then click on edit transform. We need to crop our video capturing screen from left, right and top direction. I have entered 150 in left text box to crop my video capturing from left side. You can check for yourself. This number may change in your case. I have entered 150 in right text box to crop my video capturing from right side. You can check for yourself. This number may change in your case. I have entered 100 in top text box to crop my video capturing from top. You can check for yourself. This number may change in your case. Let us click on close button. Let us move entire video capture source and fix at suitable corner. I placed video capture source here. By selecting red square dot, we can further increase or decrease size of video capture source. Let us lock position of audio input capture by clicking on lock. Let us lock position of window capture by clicking on lock. Let us lock video capture device by clicking on lock. Everything is ready now. We can click on start recording option. Select proper presentation which is in slideshow mode. Presentation is started now. You can present all your presentation and in background everything will be recorded by OBS Studio. After completion of your presentation, again click on OBS Studio from taskbar and press stop recording button. Wait for 1 or 2 seconds. Recording will be stopped and recorded video will be saved automatically in videos. Let us click on Files option from taskbar. Click on Videos option to open recorded video. This is our recorded video. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you have understood how to use OBS for presenting any kind of presentation in the form of Microsoft presentation. Thank you very much.